Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, in today's episode we've got this Sony TV, which I've already used two pen drives to install the firmware on. So I've unzipped the file which is on the Sony website for this particular model, and the content of that zip file I've put to the root folder, so that means the main folder on each pen drive. Now this is a 64 gigabyte, this is a 16 gigabyte, and over there is a 4 gigabyte pen drive. Okay, in each of them I was trying to make sure that the file system is compatible with what this TV can read, and on Sony website it's specified, so you know, you don't guess. Yes, but as you see, it's a boot loop, and even if I'll take it out, we'll use another port. And switch it back on. We will have exactly the same issue, okay, in a boot loop. So what it is two pen drives, 3 attempts each, because there are 3 USB ports, and now is the last socket, USB socket, and that will be 3 pen drives. I don't believe that sticking more pen drives would help. So I'll tell you the story about this TV. Okay, this TV has been brought to me because after 1 or 2 days it requires factory defaults to use it back again. So customer couldn't stand it, and no wonder if you have to each time take it off the wall, let's say, and factory reset it, because that was the case in this case. So customer was fed up, and customer has bought another TV. Now this TV has ended up here, and I found that there's no particular fault which I could recognize. Okay, so no firmware update, no no anything doesn't help it. So I said, let's order another mainboard, and there was a mainboard for 99, but promotion kicked in and I've spent like 65 pounds on another mainboard. And I wrote to the guy that I've got this particular model, and guy replied that yes, this will fit your TV, and it came. When it came, it was slow, it had lags. You could see Android OS, you could see everything properly, you could connect, you struggled, but you could connect with the Wi-Fi. And I went over it and I said, let me try to update it. I've tried to update it, nothing, still the same. Okay, I said, so we can try maybe factory defaults, maybe, who knows. So I did, yes, and when I did it, that's what's happened. Boot loop after attempt of factory defaults. So my assumption is either there has to be some software fault, so during the update was something corrupted for whatever reason, or there is some hardware fault, okay, of the mainboard. Now when you put back your original mainboard, you go back to square one, so you've got an operating system which has an intermittent fault. Okay, it can work for 1-2 days, and then you need to factory default it, and then guess what, you need to put your stuff on if there's anything missing, and it's annoying. You shouldn't lose data as per description on the Sony website, so your personal data after factory defaults should stay, but anyways, you know, so I do believe that there is either memory corrupted, like EEPROM memory corrupted, or some hardware issue. So that means that's qualifying for a refund, because this should work, yes. And especially that I did try as well the offline method of 3 pen drives and 3 port each, so that's 9 attempts. So I've spent a lot of time on it, and it's still the same. So I need to I need to send it back to the company where I took it from, and I need to speak to the customer if they want to do anything else with this TV or not, because if I've spent on it, let's say 2 hours, and I know for a fact that I will spend more, okay? So even if I would get another mainboard which is working, yes, I need to spend again money. If these people will say, oh, no refunds, then I can only open a case on eBay, okay? And that's it. And if I won't be able to get it back, my 65 quid for this mainboard, then I'm back to square one with a faulty TV from customer, and now I've got 2 faulty mainboards, which is not nice, yes. So you see a short video about how you can end up with a faulty TV, of being even more faulty. And we got 3 pen drives, which we know. I took G-parted and I've checked, you know, what's the file system on it, and it's FAT32, so it's compatible file system, especially that there are PS4 update file to recover the OS on PS4. Here you've got Windows, and here I don't know what it is, but it is as well compatible OS, I mean compatible file system. So you see, so I've double checked everything what I could. I did I went extra mile, you know. Still a bootloop. I was trying to press and hold power and volume down, because that's the procedure on a Sony website. So let's press power and volume down and hold it, and we should see a green light here, green diode, when I'm doing the thing right, okay? After 10 to 30 seconds, I think, and then I should let go my fingers, okay, and that should do the trick. So that's the last thing what I could do, and I've seen it once it was a green, but after that I couldn't see even the green one, even if I tried again and again, you know. So I left it, it was running for like half an hour to 1 hour, then I went back, but we see it's white, yes, and still keep on holding to it, nothing. So maybe the EEPROM memory is faulty, maybe, I don't know. You see, it doesn't switch to the green, it's white still. Okay, that went off, but completely TV went off. That we're on a Sony, I'm holding, still holding, I didn't let go. You see again white one, now will be Android logo, back again, okay, and it's still white. So holding power, volume down and power in this case, because this has more than 3 buttons there. So as per Sony description, that should help, and it's not. So there is some fault. and we're back at the square one. Yeah, so I would have to get a good main board or fix one of those two boards in order to fix it. For now, I've got no idea. Okay, I've got no idea what's causing that. I can only guess. But I'm happy to call it a no fix. If customer would like to leave this TV, maybe sometime in the future I could get a compatible or convertible mainboard to this model. So we would do something like Frankenstein, yes, and maybe that would work, yes. But for now, for today, I've got no fix for this. Sad times. I'll put back the original mainboard. I'll send this one away, and we've got a no fix. If somebody have any clue what that can cause or how to resolve it, keep in mind I've tried 3 pen drives in all of the 3 USB sockets, okay, on a proper file system on them, and sizes ranging from 4 to 64 gigabytes, okay, and the middle one was 16 gigabytes. I took it off based on this model from official Sony website, unzip it, and the PKG file copied to the root folder, which didn't do anything. So I would say that I exhausted my, I used all my options and I can't do anything else. So if anybody knows what I could do better, leave it down in the comment below. Yes, if lucky we can help this customer. If unlucky, oh well, there is still good, apart from the mainboard, everything else is good. So if we can convert the rest to a proper TV, that would be a good TV again, yes. But for now, thank you for watching. If possible, please give us a like or subscribe if you haven't already done. If you did, thank you very much. That's really helping me. Here we've got 85 members. That's members, subscribers, yes. Thank you. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you, and if possible, let's fix them all. Take care. Bye bye.